Welcome back, children. This is our second session of the computer class, and we were doing chapter number 11, More on Internet. In this chapter, we were learning about internet services. In today's class, we are going to learn about website, web browser, and home page. Let's start with website. What is a website? You must have heard this term number of times. A website is a collection of web pages. Now, what exactly is a web page? A web page is an electronic document written in computer language like HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So, multiple web pages are combined together and they form one complete website. Now, website holds similar kind of information. It stores information on the common themes such as a particular subject like sports, organization, etc. etc. So if you watch any news or if you watch any fashion website, it contains only related information. Examples of websites are yahoo.com, amazon.com, mptourism.com and our school website balbhavan.org.com. Our next topic is home page. Whenever you open a website, the first page that appears on your screen is called as the home page. Basically, home page is also a web page, but since this is the first page, that is why we call it as a home page. It has many links that brings you to other pages which holds other information. Whenever you sign in your information and you click on the sign up or sign in button, it takes you to another page. This is your hyperlink. Next is web browser. It allows your computer to access information, downloading, surfing, web pages, searching any information, etc. It is basically a software with the help of which we open the internet. We can access the websites with the help of the web browser only. Some of the examples of web browser are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Opera Mini. Now let us see the example in the practical session only. To help you with the practical, I am going to take you to the computer lab and will demonstrate how you will open a web browser, how you will open a website and a web page. Let's see. So, can you see on the screen? This is the icon for Mozilla Firefox and below this is an icon of Google Chrome. These both are my web browser. I can click on any of these to open my website. Let me click on Google Chrome. Now I will search my school website. I will type the address of the school website in the address bar and press the enter key. So this is the first page of our school website. As I told you, the first page is called as the home page. Now this is going to hold the information about our school. As I told you, a website holds information about one particular topic. So our school will have the information about our school only. Now can you see these tabs over here? All these are the hyperlinks. When you click on these, this is going to take you to another page. See, as an example, I'm clicking on our history and this is going to open the history of Balbhavan. See, I'm scrolling it down. So these are my web pages. Again, I'm clicking on another icon, primary school, and see, this is going to open another web page which holds information related to primary. So this is how your website looks like. I hope today's session was clear to you. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next session. Goodbye.